Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you a very quick, easy, and beautiful makeup look. Here I'm just showing you my makeup, but towards the end I'll be posting a picture of how the makeup looked. And then now my dress for the inspiration of this makeup look, we're going to be using black, white, and blue for this makeup look. Now I'm going to be priming my face with Too Faced primer and the water gel from Neutrogena, filling in my eyebrows. And then I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape all over my eyelids as a base. And then the Houlihan bronzer I'm going to be using as a transition color, whatever white eyeshadow all over your eyelids. Once that's done, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner to draw my wing, and then Wet n Wild eyeliner in my water gel because that is the start of this makeup look. Yay! Then I'm just going to be packing a whole bunch of mascara on my eyelashes from MAC and L'Oreal. Then I'm going to be doing my foundation, which I used the Fenty Beauty and I blended it out with a makeup brush. Now I'm just going to be contouring and bronzing my face with Houlihan and the Fenty Beauty again. Then I'm going to be using pink lip gloss all over my lips and pink blush all over my cheeks. Once that's done, I'm going to be setting everything with the One Size setting spray from Patrick Star, and then I'm going to be using a SpongeBob setting spray like how I did that. And now this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!